Console.log genuinely isn't the only real tool in the console. Let's see what table, group, and count actually output. This real method genuinely renders actual array data as a real, readable table, not a flat printed string. This real grouping genuinely nests related actual log lines together, visually collapsible. This real counter genuinely tracks how many actual times this exact label has been logged. These real methods genuinely color code actual warnings and errors differently from a plain log. Console.table genuinely renders real array object data as an actual readable table. Console.group genuinely nests related real log lines together. Console.count genuinely tracks how many real times a label has been logged. Replace one of your own real console.log calls with console.table or console.group. Next, real DOM manipulation, straight from the Elements panel.